Good afternoon, YouTube. We got a big adventure tonight. My favorite movie, The Blues Brothers, with Jake and Elwood, is playing at the US23 drive-in in Fenton. So you might say it's 106 miles to Fenton. I got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes, it's dark, and I'm wearing sunglasses. Hit it. None of that's actually true. I'm on my way to the gas station to get gas, and I don't smoke. But the movie's on. It's a car show before the movie. It's gonna be an awesome adventure. Come along for the ride. to the drive-in. Been looking at the cars at the car show, taking some drone footage. There's the screen. Movie's gonna start pretty soon. My favorite movie, Jake and Elwood, the Blues Brothers. Pretty darn excited for the movie tonight. It's almost movie time. Did I mention it's my favorite movie? Yes! That's it for me, folks. Hope everybody had a great time at the show and has a safe drive home. If you like our content, please subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment. Thanks for watching.